So good day, ma'am. I'm Jerome Atilano. I'm from BSME 3 Bravo. So here's my video presentation, a 5 minutes video presentation of safety precaution before working on auxiliary machineries. Before on auxiliary machineries, it is important to take some safety precaution to protect yourself and others. And here some are general safety tips. So, the first is read the manual. Familiarize yourself with the machinery's manual, safety, guidelines, and operating procedures. So you must read the safety, all the safety and the manuals of the ships or the equipment or the tools that you're using. The second is wear appropriate gear. Always wear the necessary personal protective equipment which or PPE such as safety goggles, gloves, steel toes, shoes, and etc. So by using this safety personal protective equipment, um you can save yourself from danger like in risky places. So number 3 is lockout or tag out. Make sure to follow lockout tag out procedure to prevent unexpected starting of machinery while you're working on it. So you must need to you must really need to know this because it's so important and it is also for yourself or safety of yourself. Number 4 is inspect the machinery. Check for any deflect damages or abnormalities before starting work. Ensure all guards are in place. So, first, in working in machineries, you really need to ensure that all guards are in place. Like um, and check also for defects or damages or abnormalities before starting to work. Like the purifier, you need to after you need to check first if there's a damages or abnormalities. So the number 5 is get training. If you're not trained on work on specific machinery, seek training, get help from someone who is knowledgeable. So where can you get who's the one who will train you? So I think some higher ranks like the third engineer will teach you about all or in school will teach you about the how to use the tools or the how to use the machinery. And number 6 is proper ventilation. If working in confined space or using machinery that emits fumes, ensure proper ventilation. So in this proper ventilation really need to follow because if you're using the machinery, it emits the fumes or ensure proper or you need to ensure the proper ventilation. So number 7 is follow safety practices. About avoid shortcuts, follow established procedure and use tools properly to prevent accident. So follow safe practices. Do not use shortcuts. Your work is not really need to have a shortcut because by using shortcuts I think you're trying to harm yourself. Also remember that safety should always be a top priority when working with machinery. If you're unsure about anything, it's best to seek guidance or assistance from supervisor or someone with expertise in the machinery you're working with. So about this, you really need to make the your priority when working with machinery will be the first thing you'll do, which is you should always top a priority when working with machineries. If you're unsure about anything, it's best to seek side guidance or assistance from a supervisor or someone with expertise in the machinery you're working with. And I think that is all, or what we say,